Rolling wave planning is a special type of planning technique. It is used in projects where the overall scope is well known at a strategic level, but there is not enough clarity for detailed planning. Consider an example where the project involves the development of a prototype early in the project. Stakeholders are expected to provide feedback on the prototype, and then we will take up detailed design based on the feedback and execute the project. This might also result in going back to the design board again and building more prototypes. Rolling wave planning is a very good candidate in situations like this. Planning happens in waves. Rolling wave planning is a form of progressive elaboration which I have mentioned in earlier lessons. The work that is to be completed in the near term is planned in sufficient detail, and the work that is far in the future is only planned at a high level. For example, only the milestones might be listed. This type of planning is viable for agile projects, but it can also be used in waterfall approach. When rolling wave is used in waterfall, work will exist at different levels of elaboration and development, but the whole project will not move to testing or release until all the work is eventually developed. This is likely to result in changes to the costs of the project. Now, let us look at the advantages of using rolling wave planning specifically from a waterfall perspective. Advantage number 1. Exploratory projects are those which you or your organization has never executed before. In such projects, you will not even know how the design will unfold, and rolling wave technique is a great choice in such projects where you progressively elaborate. Second advantage, rolling wave gives you some wiggle room. That is, it gives you some ability to recover from time, scope and cost decisions that you have to make and you are not 100% sure of. 3. When there are a lot of risks or unknown unknowns, rolling wave enables you to handle uncertainties a lot better. Fourth advantage is, if your project is under extreme time constraints, then using rolling wave enables you to start the development even while you are designing some other work that comes later, and this will result in you saving a lot of time. Fifth advantage, rolling wave increases your adaptability with resourcing issues, whether it is with the people, machines, raw materials or budgets. It gives you some extra time for innovation. So, these are some of the major advantages of rolling wave planning. The concept is very simple. But before I end this lesson, here is a word of caution. You should only use rolling wave in projects where you cannot plan in any other way. You should only use it in situations of uncertainty and time constraints that I have mentioned just now. In the next lesson, we will continue with our ongoing project and we will look at the artifact called activity list. So, see you in the next lesson.